Living in League City means enjoying warm Gulf breezes, sunny days, and mild winters, but it also means dealing with high humidity, strong UV rays, and intense summer heat. For homeowners, this climate can make energy efficiency a top priority. While many people focus on choosing the right type of window, professional window installation is just as important. Even the most energy-efficient windows underperform when installed incorrectly. Here's how proper installation directly boosts your home's energy savings and keeps your League City home comfortable all year long. A proper seal prevents air leaks. Air leakage is one of the biggest reasons homeowners experience rising energy bills. Gaps around window frames allow cooled air to escape during summer and warm air to leak out during winter. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy use. Correct window installation ensures tight, even sealing around the entire frame, properly fitted shims and insulation, no gaps between the window and rough opening in a climate like League City, where air conditioning runs much of the year. Preventing air leaks can make a noticeable difference in monthly energy costs. Reduces heat transfer from intense sun exposure. League City receives strong sun exposure, especially during peak summer months. If windows are not installed squarely and securely, energy-efficient coatings, insulated frames, and double-pane glass cannot perform to their full potential. With proper installation, your windows block more solar heat from entering. Maintain the right compression for insulated glass units. Help stabilize indoor temperatures. This means your home stays cooler naturally, reducing the load on your air conditioner. Prevents moisture and humidity from entering your home. Humidity is a year-round concern in League City. Poor installation can allow moisture to seep in around the frame, which not only damages insulation but also reduces its effectiveness. When insulation becomes damp, it loses its ability to block heat transfer, driving up energy usage. Proper window installation includes correct flashing systems, weatherproof sealants, a tight, water-resistant fit. This protects your insulation, your walls, and your energy savings at the same time. Maximizes the window's designed efficiency rating. Windows are rated for energy efficiency based on how they perform when installed under ideal conditions. Poor installation can reduce those ratings by allowing drafts, creating pressure imbalance, reducing thermal insulation. When installed properly, your windows continue to perform as intended, including maintaining low U-factor ratings and superior insulation. Homeowners investing in energy-efficient windows deserve the full benefit of the product. Professional installation ensures you get it. Extends the lifespan of your HVAC system because new windows reduce air leaks and heat transfer. Your HVAC system runs less often. Over time, this leads to less wear and tear, fewer service calls, a longer system lifespan for League City homeowners. This added longevity can translate into major savings, not just on energy costs but on repair or replacement expenses. Enhances overall home comfort. Properly installed windows create a more balanced indoor environment. You'll notice fewer hot spots near windows, more consistent temperatures in each room, reduced outside noise in a bustling, fast-growing area like League City. Peace, quiet, and comfort are important parts of enjoying your home. Conclusion: professional installation makes all the difference. Choosing the right windows is important, but professional installation is what ultimately determines your home's energy efficiency. For homeowners in League City, proper installation protects against heat, humidity, air leaks, and unnecessary energy waste. It helps lower monthly bills, improves comfort, and extends the life of your HVAC system, making it one of the smartest home improvement investments you can make. If you're ready to improve your home's energy savings, upgrade comfort, and boost long-term value, make sure your new windows are installed the right way from the start.